labrum tear from working out and wear and tear. Pretty scary because when you can't do your everyday activities, gets a little scary. Dr. Tehrany and the whole staff have been amazing, very helpful, explaining everything like I'm 5 years old, which I needed, and on time. Surgery, it was actually very easy. He always explained everything that he was doing. Really good, surgery. Really the commitment is the afterwards and just recovering and a lot of physical therapy. But again, Tehrany is always there, the staff is always there. In a way, he makes it everything easier.